Welcome viewers. Today I will be discussing upon how you can work with MATLAB and Python together. So the first thing over here is to understand that which version of MATLAB you are using, and depending upon that particular version, which versions of Python will be compatible. So if you go to this particular documentation, you'll find out that as of MATLAB R2023, Python 2.x is no longer supported. So if you're planning to use the latest version of the MATLAB, like MATLAB 2025A or B version, and the latest one, MATLAB R2026A, we will find out that you can use any Python version between 3.9 to 3.13. So what I've done is, in my system, I have installed Python version 3.12. You can download this particular version or any other version with respect to your MATLAB release. So if you scroll down, you should be able to see the Python version, right? And if you're looking to download it, you can scroll down for this particular table where you can click on any particular version that you're interested in. So let us suppose you're interested in Python version 3.13 or 3.12. In my case, it's 3.12. You can go over here and you can click on download. Read the documentation and try to download it. Okay. So from here, you should be able to download. All the versions are available. Take care that depending upon the operating system that you're using, you might be required to download the Windows installer 64-bit, which is recommended over here. Fine. But then how do I